Have you experienced the magic of Abhivyakti yet? Let's dive into a world of creativity and soul-stirring performances. Also make sure to visit before December 8. So let's go! We are at the traffic signal, but guess what? The signal is broken. It's showing all three lights, red, yellow and green at the same time. Looks like it's time to rely on good old common sense and a little patience to figure this one out. Alright, let's navigate through this chaos and get moving. We were passing by famous HL Maggi Street and the aroma of the street food gave us a craving. So we decided to stop by and have some before going to Abhivyakti. So here we reach at the beautiful place nearby, which is having amazing vibe. And after reaching, we are finding a place for parking, which is a national issue. So finally we got to know that we need to park on a main road, not here. And after eating some sandwiches, we are heading to our destination. So, welcome to Abhivyakti Ahmedabad, a celebration of creativity, culture and community. A platform where artists, storytellers and visionaries unite to showcase their brilliance. Today we embark on a journey to explore the vibrant hues of Ahmedabad's art and culture. Let's create, connect and celebrate together. The Abhivyakti City Arts Project 24 is currently underway at the Gujarat University campus and Atira campus in Ahmedabad, running until December 8. This is the 6th edition of the festival, organized by the UNM Foundation and supported by the Torrent Group. It features a rich blend of 140 performances by 96 artists, covering dance, music, theatre and visual arts. This year's theme, Stories from the Soul, highlights deeply expressive and thoughtful provoking narratives. Abhivyakti isn't just an event, it's an experience. A canvas for dreams, a stage for stories, and a space where innovation thrives.
श्रृंगार सजाए अर्ध अंग है तांडव रूपा गद 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 तद गद गद तद निकट धाम 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 अर्ध अंग है लास्य स्वरूप काथित आदिगत धे 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 दत्त जय 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 हे अर्धांगपति जय 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 हे अर्धांगपति जय 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 हे अर्धांगपति
Thank you for being a part of Abhivyakti Ahmedabad. Let this festival inspire you to dream, create, and express. Together, let's keep the spirit of art and culture alive in our hearts. Until next time, stay creative and stay inspired. After a big, exciting tour of Abhivyakti, guess what? We are hungry again. It took a lot of energy, and now it's time to refuel. After satisfying our hunger, we made our way to the beautiful riverfront for a relaxing walk. After a long walk and an energizing cycling session, we finally decided to take a break and sit down. After sitting over there sometimes, then we are heading to our parking. And now it's time to head back home. After a day filled with art, culture, good food, and peaceful moments by the riverfront, our hearts are full and our minds are refreshed. We visited this last weekend and it was such an amazing experience. There is so much more to see, do, and discover. We can't wait to dive into all over again. We are planning to visit again on this weekend, so stay tuned.